Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can make spoilers in a Discord. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Discord channel, and when you will have it, just click your message and let's say like this is a spoiler, and you want to do this, like have the blue on the text, and then you're gonna see like the small thing here, spoiler, and voila, right? And I'm going to click on it, and again, I can have it like all, voila. And this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask in down in comments. I hope you guys have a great day, and yeah, see ya and goodbye.